Hello everyone, it's Galina. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you a fun technique how to create a quick floral cards. At first I'm going to apply a lot of disperse inks on my white A2 card panel. I'm applying them in a rainbow order, starting from a warm red color and finishing with a bright blue disperse ink. I'm applying those inks with blender brushes. They can make a smooth gradient between colors. I'm applying each color above the previous one just to make sure I blend them well. I'm trying to make a soft gradients between colors, so I'm overlapping inks just a little bit. I will write all colors I used on a blog post, so don't forget to check it out. I will leave a link in the video description below. Next, I'm going to stamp a beautiful floral image using a stamp from Lovely Bloom stamp set. I'm placing it in my MISTI stamping tool and I'm applying black ink called Archival Black Ink from Ranger because I will use a lot of water on my card and I need a stamped image with a waterproof ink. And for coloring I will need only a water brush and a paper towel. And I'm using a water brush instead of a regular paintbrush because I can control the amount of water I'm applying on the card. And I'm gently squishing this brush to apply a little drop of water and then I'm smooshing it out and I'm trying to lift up this ink. As you may know, disperse inks are water-based dye inks and they react to water. After applying water on the petals, I'm tapping it over with a paper towel and I'm trying to remove a little bit of ink. So I can create a light color petals on my card and this technique is perfect for a quick coloring. After my coloring is done, I decided to decorate my card with a little bit of shine. I applied shimmer ink over some petals on the card and I used Wink of Stella pen brush. Next I'm going to die cut a beautiful frame using one die from a loop die set. I actually separated these two dies and I want to create a dimensional frame around my flower bouquet. That's why I cut out two more frames from a regular white cardstock. I'm going to attach them together one by one with liquid glue and I will not need any foam tape at all. And as the last layer, I'm attaching a frame from a silver cardstock. Next, I'm going to cut off the excess paper with my scissors and next I'm going to attach it to my card base. I made a card base from a thick black cardstock and I made it in a regular A2 size. So my card panel will be a little bit smaller than a card base and it will create a nice black frame around the flower bouquet. Now I can create a sentiment on my card and I'm going to use a little sentiment stamp from a same Lovely Bloom stamp set and I stamp in it on the right top corner with VersaFine black ink. At last it's time to add some crystals on my card and I'm using transparent jewel crystals from Studio Katia. I'm adhering them with liquid glue directly on my card panel and I'm trying to add just a few of them because I can never stop adding those beautiful crystals on my cards. So after I'm done with my gluing all the stuff together, I can say my card is finished. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you like this quick technique and you will try with your flower stamps or regular stamps. Just have fun and don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next week. Bye!